Welcome to the Podar Network channel. Every year, 21st August is celebrated as the World Entrepreneurs Day, a day which has been dedicated to celebrate the innovation and empowerment of entrepreneurship and leadership throughout the world. Today on our talk show, we have some well-known entrepreneurs who have excelled in their field. These Indian entrepreneurs have demonstrated high level of perseverance, risk-taking, innovation, business understanding, and adoption of new tech enablers for scaling commerce. They have created enterprises with a purpose. They have forayed in many segments like Indian arts and textiles, beauty, fashion, and social enterprise. Let us all today hear the insights of their daring and inspiring journeys. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. We have with us today Ms. Falguni Nayar from Nykaa, Mr. William Nanda Bissell from Fab India, and Mr. Anshu Gupta from Gunj. Let us welcome our first guest, Ms. Falguni Nayar. A decade back in 2012, Falguni Nayar started a multi-brand beauty and fashion e-commerce portal Nykaa. Falguni started Nykaa at the age of 50 years. With the recent success of Nykaa, Falguni has become one of the few self-made billionaires in India. Nykaa is the one-stop shop for all beauty and fashion products from India and abroad, including the luxury brands. Ms. Falguni has been recognized for her business insight and has received several awards. She was named one of the Fortune's most powerful women entrepreneurs in 2015. Recently, she has been awarded as the CEO of the Year in ET Startup Awards in 2022 and EY Entrepreneur of the Year in 2022. Ma'am, congratulations on your achievements and success.
Thank you.
Ms. Falguni, a young audience would like to know more about you and interact with you.
Sure.
Would any of you like to ask Ms. Falguni any questions?
Did you have any fears when starting your journey at the age of 50?
No fears at all. You see, it's never too late to pursue your dreams. Age is just a number.
Any more questions, audience?
Ma'am, how technology has contributed to Nykaa's business?
We took the help of technology by starting the business online. We started it as e-commerce portal by building the Nykaa app. Still, maximum revenue is generated through our Nykaa app in spite of the offline stores. So, technology is helping us in many ways. One important help technology is providing us is reaching customers for both online and offline business through social media via YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc.
Anybody else have more questions?
Do you love makeup, ma'am?
Yes, of course. It was my love for makeup and my understanding that Indian market needed an cosmetics and wellness platform which inspired me to bring Nykaa.
Ma'am, as an entrepreneur, would you like to share any valuable lessons you have learned in your life?
You need to believe in the business to stay ahead of the curve. You need to take decisions, sometimes tough, considering the long-term benefits of the business.
Thank you, Ms. Falguni, for giving your valuable time.
My pleasure.
Let us welcome our next guest, Mr. William Nanda Bissell. In 1960, William's father, John Bissell, founded Fab India in 1960. John's son, William, who grew up in Delhi, took over the operations of Fab India in 1998. Fab India was initially into export business. After William joined, it expanded into retail stores across many cities of India and across other countries too. William diversified the Fab India's product range by adding furniture, lighting, stationery, tableware, cane baskets, handcrafted utility items, organic food products, and even handcrafted jewelry. Over the years, Fab India has become one of the Indian ethnic brands that has kept alive the native Indian craft used in fabrics, home furniture, and home decor. Presently, Fab India has 330 stores, 14 of which are located in countries outside India, in like Italy, Singapore, and America. Its artisan community count is over 55,000. So, congratulations on your remarkable journey and success.
Thank you.
Mr. William, our young student audience would like to know more about you and interact with you.
Sure.
Would any of you like to ask Mr. William any questions?
Does Fab India produce all its products?
Fab India does not have a company and production unit. Our mission has always been to work with village-based artisans across India, employing their regional textile and other skills. We directly source these products from them.
Any more questions, audience?
What is your mantra of success in life, sir?
It is honesty and belief in what one does.
Anybody else have more questions?
What are your hobbies and interests, sir?
Reading. I have written 3 books also. It is primarily on India, its economic development and governance. I am passionate about environment, the active role in good governance in business and community building as a social responsibility.
So, please mention one very important quality that an entrepreneur should have.
Passion. Passion is the fuel for not only being a good entrepreneur but to succeed in any field.
Thank you, Mr. William, for giving your valuable time.
My pleasure.
Let us welcome our next guest, Mr. Anshu Gupta. Anshu Gupta, popularly known as Clothing Man, founded Gunj in 1999. Gunj collects vast stocks of everyday necessities from clothes to medicine that would otherwise have been thrown away. They do the quality audit, recycle and distribute it to the villagers or otherwise thrown out discarded in urban areas. Villagers in return get these items as non-monetary rewards for doing works in community building like digging wells, repairing roads, building bridges, etc. Today, Gunj works in 22 states of India. Under Anshu's leadership, Gunj has done massive disaster relief and rehabilitation work pan-India, distributing clothes, medicines, food and other necessary items. Gunj has received many national and international awards, including World Bank's Development Marketplace to Asia's Nobel, the prestigious Raman Magsaysay Award in 2015. Sir, congratulations on your inspiring journey and success.
Thank you.
Mr. Anshu, our young student audience would like to know more about you and interact with you.
Sure.
Would any of you like to ask Mr. Anshu any questions?
What are your views on clothing?
Clothing is equal to dignity. Your cloth is your identity. Cloth is a visible sign of poverty too. You can see that many poor people cannot afford to buy clothes, and in extreme conditions such as winter, lack of warm clothes can cause diseases and deaths. But cloth is never regarded as a developmental issue. Food, cloth and shelter are basic human needs, but clothing is always neglected.
Any more questions?
Have you started your journey to Gunj?
Started with 67 units from my own house. Today we handle more than 3,000 tons of donated material, including clothes, to distribute among the needy ones.
Anybody else have more questions?
What are your hobbies and interests, sir?
I am a foodie. I love photography, travel and writing.
Mr. Anshu, in the initial years, many funding agencies refused to partner with Gunj. How you managed and continued your work?
It's the kida inside me to do something good and big for the society, for those who are poor, and the determination to reach that goal kept me motivated. Slowly, our work started showing and we were joined by like-minded people and organizations that helped scale up Gunj's operations.
Thank you, Mr. Anshu, for giving your precious time.
My pleasure.
Unfortunately, due to time restrictions, we have to stop here. Today, at the Podar Network channel, we have come together to salute our entrepreneurs for their achievements, success and inspiration. I hope our young student audience would and our guests have gained a lot from this event. Thank you all and have a great day ahead.
We are the kings and queens. We are the shining dreams. We are the kings and queens. We are the shining dreams. We nurture sunshine, embrace the wind. We have the scientific zeal and